NCTV45, The Train, anytime on your time. Bill's Bake Shop will make you happy. Owner Bill Cast and his staff keep the tradition going with all those bakery items you remember as a kid. Just to name a few, Bill makes cream sticks, cinnamon rolls, bear claws, cream horns, cannoli, cakes, pies, cookies, bread, pizza, and more. You can also buy homemade Cavatelli and ravioli. Bill's Bake Shop, located 228 North Liberty Street in the Mahoningtown section of Newcastle, is open Tuesday through Saturday, 7 to 5, and Sunday, 7 to 2, closed Monday. Bill's, where smiles are everywhere. Call 724-654-4223.
It's train day in West Pittsburgh. Yes, Saturday the 13th. Celebrate West Pittsburgh's contribution to history of trains and rail travel in our area. Free tours of the station and N5C caboose. Lionel train layout, free hot dogs, free to attend. It's in West Pittsburgh Station, 805 9th Street, West Pittsburgh, PA, and you could call 724-847-0493 for more information. Train day in West Pittsburgh. Don't miss it. Now, we're going to take this break, hear from these great sponsors that keep community television on the air for you.